Seniors, drink baking soda water like this to support kidney health more. What if I told you that a common kitchen ingredient, something you've probably used to bake cookies or freshen your fridge, could actually help protect your kidneys? I'm serious. For seniors and anyone struggling with kidney issues, this overlooked remedy might just offer relief you didn't know was possible. From reducing dangerous acid in the blood, to slowing down kidney function decline, to even helping your body absorb nutrients more effectively, this one simple thing is quietly making waves in the world of kidney health. And no, this isn't some internet myth or trendy health fad. Every point we'll cover in this video has been carefully fact-checked by health professionals, so you can trust what you're hearing. But listen, don't go reaching for that baking soda just yet. Taking it the wrong way could do more harm than good. In fact, near the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip that can help you avoid the one mistake people make when using baking soda for kidney support. Number 1. Helps neutralize acid in the blood, metabolic acidosis relief. You might not think much about the acid levels in your blood, but for people with kidney issues, especially seniors, this can be a big deal. See, when your kidneys aren't working at their best, they struggle to filter out acid from your body. And over time, this buildup can lead to something called metabolic acidosis. It's a condition where your blood becomes too acidic, and it can make you feel tired, weak, or even mess with your bones and muscles. Now here's where baking soda comes in. This simple white powder that's probably sitting in your kitchen. It's actually a natural alkaline compound, and when taken in the right amount and under the care of a doctor, it can help bring that acidity back into balance. Think of it like giving your kidneys a helping hand, helping to restore a healthier pH in your body. Many people don't realize just how much better they can feel once that acid level is under control. More energy, clearer thinking, and even better appetite. It's small, but it can make a powerful difference. Number 2. May slow kidney function decline in CLEANKIDNEYS. Now this one is a game changer, especially if you or someone you love is living with chronic kidney disease, or CLEANKIDNEYS. You see, when kidneys start to lose their function over time, it can feel like there's not much you can do to stop the decline. But believe it or not, something as simple as baking soda, yes, that box you probably use for baking or keeping your fridge fresh, has shown some real promise. Here's how it works. People with TAG often deal with too much acid in their blood, which puts extra stress on the kidneys. But studies have found that taking small amounts of baking soda under medical guidance can actually help reduce that acid load. And when the acid levels go down, the kidneys aren't working overtime to keep up. That means less damage over time and potentially a slower decline in kidney function. It's not magic and it's not a cure, but it's hope. And sometimes hope comes in the most unexpected forms. Like a teaspoon of baking soda in water, giving your kidneys just a little more strength to keep going. Number 3. Reduces muscle wasting, common in CLEANKIDNEYS. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: muscle wasting. If you or someone close to you is living with chronic kidney disease, you may have noticed that the body feels weaker, the muscles shrink a little, and simple tasks start to feel like heavy lifting. That's not just getting older. It's a real issue tied to DEC. When the kidneys aren't filtering properly, the body can become too acidic. And that acid buildup doesn't just sit quietly, it actually starts breaking down muscle tissue. That's one reason why people with DEC often experience fatigue, frailty, and even weight loss that isn't healthy. But here's something hopeful: baking soda or sodium bicarbonate has been shown to help reduce that acid. And by lowering the acid in the body, it can slow down the muscle loss that's so common in CLEANKIDNEYS. It's not a miracle cure, but it's one simple tool that can make a real difference over time. Just imagine having a bit more strength, a bit more energy, and being able to move with a little more ease. That's the kind of small victory that really matters, and baking soda, under the right guidance, can help you get there. Number 4. Eases indigestion and acid reflux. Now let's be honest, there's nothing quite as uncomfortable as that burning feeling in your chest after a meal. You know what I'm talking about: indigestion, acid reflux, that heavy bloated sensation that just won't let you relax. For many seniors, this becomes a regular, frustrating part of daily life. But guess what? Baking soda might be able to help with that too. You see, baking soda is a natural antacid. When you mix a small amount with water and drink it, it can help neutralize the excess stomach acid that causes all that discomfort. It's like sending in a little peacekeeper to calm the storm happening in your digestive system. This can be especially helpful if you deal with acid reflux at night when that acid creeps up and interrupts your sleep. A gentle baking soda drink, used wisely and occasionally, may bring some soothing relief. Now, of course, it's important not to overdo it. This isn't meant to replace medications or long-term solutions, but rather act as a gentle aid when you need it. Sometimes it's the simple things that bring the biggest comfort. Number 5. Supports better pH balance. Let's talk about something that sounds scientific but is actually super important to your everyday health: pH balance. I think of your body like a swimming pool. If the water gets too acidic or too alkaline, everything gets thrown off. Your body works the same way. It needs to maintain a delicate balance between acids and bases to function properly. And when that balance gets disrupted, especially in people with kidney issues, things can start to go downhill quickly. Now, here's where baking soda comes in. It's naturally alkaline, which means it can help neutralize excess acid in the body. When used correctly and under medical supervision, it can help bring your body's pH levels closer to where they need to be. That's not just helpful for your kidneys, it can also support your bones, muscles, and even your immune system. You might not feel your pH being off, but over time, an overly acidic environment can wear you down. It's linked to fatigue, muscle weakness, and even inflammation. So keeping that balance isn't just about numbers, it's about helping you feel stronger, clearer, and more in control of your health. Sometimes, the path to feeling better starts with something as small as balancing your inner chemistry, and baking soda just might be the gentle nudge your body needs. Number 6. May reduce inflammation in kidneys. Inflammation, it's a word we hear all the time, right? And when it comes to kidney health, it's one of the biggest troublemakers. When your kidneys are inflamed, even just a little, it can quietly chip away at their function over time. You may not feel it happening right away, but inside your kidneys are working harder than they should, and that constant stress can lead to more damage down the road. Now, here's something interesting: baking soda might actually help reduce some of that inflammation. It sounds almost too simple, but studies suggest that when used properly, baking soda can calm the immune system's overreaction, especially in people with chronic kidney disease. See, sometimes the immune system gets confused and starts attacking healthy tissues, including the kidneys. But baking soda may help tell the immune system to slow down and ease off. This doesn't mean it's a cure, but it's a small step that may help take some of the pressure off your kidneys. And when your kidneys aren't inflamed, they can work more efficiently and you may feel better overall. Less swelling, less fatigue, and a greater sense of balance. It's just one more way: as simple, everyday ingredient might help you protect what matters most: your health. Number 7. Improves nutrient absorption by balancing acid levels. Here's something that often flies under the radar: your body's ability to absorb nutrients. You might be eating all the right foods, taking your vitamins, drinking enough water, but if your body isn't absorbing those nutrients properly, it's like pouring water into a leaky bucket. Especially for people with kidney issues, this can be a real concern. One of the sneaky reasons this happens is because of high acid levels in the body. When your body becomes too acidic, which is common in chronic kidney disease, it creates a harsh environment for nutrient absorption. Important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and even iron can get pushed out or blocked from being fully absorbed. That's where baking soda might lend a hand. Because it helps neutralize that excess acid, it can bring your pH levels closer to balance. And when your body's pH is in a healthier range, it becomes more welcoming to those essential nutrients. It's like setting the table before the meal. You're giving your body the right environment to receive what it needs. So instead of your nutrition slipping through the cracks, more of it gets used to support your energy, your bones, your immune system, even your mood. It's a small shift that can lead to a big impact, and all from something as simple as balancing your inner chemistry. Summary. Baking soda, yes, that's simple. Everyday powder has the potential to support kidney health in surprising ways. From helping to neutralize acid in the blood, slowing the decline of kidney function, and even reducing inflammation, to easing acid reflux, balancing your pH, and improving nutrient absorption, it's not a miracle, but it is a meaningful step forward for many people living with chronic kidney disease. But, and this is important, it's not something to take casually. It's a tool that needs to be used wisely and under medical supervision. Because even something natural can cause harm if misused, so please talk to your doctor before making any changes. If this video helped you better understand your kidneys or gave you a new sense of hope, consider giving it a like and share it with someone you love. You never know who might need to hear this. And if you want more simple, fact-check tips to protect your kidneys and live a stronger, healthier life, don't forget to subscribe. We're on this journey together.